Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Jest snapshots for stable UI rendering tests. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Jest snapshots for stable UI rendering tests, start by ensuring you have Jest installed in your project. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. If you haven't installed Jest yet, run the command npm install savedev jest. Next, make sure you also have a testing utility for React, such as React Testing Library. Install it by running npm install savedev at test. Now, create a test file for the component you wish to test. The naming convention for the test file should resemble component name.test.js. In this test file, import the necessary modules at the top. You will need to import React, the component you want to test, and the render method from React Testing Library. Begin your test by describing what the snapshot test will verify. Use the describe block to create a test suite for your component. Inside this block, create individual tests using the test or it function. For example, you might name your test renders correctly. Within the test function, call the render method, passing your component as an argument. This will render your component in a virtual DOM environment. Next, capture the output of the rendered component using the asFragment method. Store this output in a variable by calling const asFragment equals render your component slash. Now, use the Jest snapshot method to create a snapshot. Invoke expect asFragment to match snapshot. This line will generate a snapshot file the first time you run the test. To run your test, return to your terminal and execute npm test. If everything is set up correctly, Jest will generate a snapshot file in a __snapshots_ directory within your test directory. To confirm that snapshots work correctly, make an intentional change in your component. Rerun your test using npm test to see how Jest detects the change. You can update the snapshot by running npm testu to accept the new output. Remember, snapshots should be reviewed carefully to ensure that changes are intentional. By following these steps, you will successfully activate Jest snapshots for stable UI rendering tests. This approach enhances your testing strategy, making it easier to maintain UI consistency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.